XDC just made a partnership that could change the way money moves across the world. And the craziest part? Most people haven't even noticed it yet. What we're seeing here is not just another crypto partnership, it's a quiet tectonic shift in the way money moves across borders. And the fact that XDC is now working with Curve Finance and AUD is like watching a small, almost invisible ripple that slowly turns into a wave that can reshape the entire ocean. Because what this partnership is really building is not a product, it's a new plumbing system for global stablecoins. Let's break down what's coming to the XDC network and why it could be a major turning point for adoption. Stablecoins are the backbone of crypto markets, but they're also the most practical part of crypto because they represent real money in digital form. Now imagine this: a world where US dollars and Australian dollars can move instantly across borders, without banks, without long settlement times, and without huge fees. That world is not fantasy, it's becoming reality, and XDC is positioning itself right in the middle of it. Because XDC plus AUD plus Curve Finance is not just a partnership, it's a new bridge between two major markets, the US and Australia, and by extension the APAC region. Thanks to Curve Finance, XDC and AUD have created a liquidity pool for USDC and AUD stablecoins. Now, most people hear the word liquidity pool and think it's just DeFi stuff, but this is deeper. This liquidity pool means stablecoin liquidity becomes faster, settlement becomes more efficient, cross-border transactions become smoother, institutions can actually use it for real trade. Because this pool is not only for XDC users, it's available to AUD's partner network and anyone participating on the XDC network. This is not just crypto for retail investors. This is crypto for banks, trade finance, and real-world settlement. The APAC region is currently the biggest driver of stablecoin adoption, and that matters because APAC is a huge trade region. Cross-border payments are constant. Many countries are already experimenting with digital currencies. Stablecoins are already being used for real commerce. So if XDC is building infrastructure here, it's not just a crypto project. It's a regional financial network. This is why the XDC network could become a major player in global settlement. AUD is not just a random stablecoin. It has real backing and real momentum. In fact, AUD stablecoin has been expanding across multiple networks: Ethereum, XRP, Ledger, Stellar, XDC, Hedera, Hashgraph. And if you check the data, AUD has around $8.2 million in value across these networks as of January 2026. That's not huge compared to USDC, but it's significant because it shows growth, adoption, and expansion. Many people forget that AUD appeared on the XRP ledger early on. While everyone was focusing on RLUSD hype, XRP Ledger quietly built stablecoin infrastructure. And here's the key insight. XRP Ledger and Stellar are both stablecoin-heavy networks. They've been used for cross-border payments for years, so when you see AUD moving across these chains and now entering XDC, you realize the direction is clear. Stablecoins are becoming the real global payment rails. Now let's talk about USDC on XDC. The network started issuing USDC natively in June of last year, and by December, USDC transactions on XDC exceeded 1 billion. That's the fastest growth for USDC adoption on any network in history. Why? Because XDC has atomic settlement built into the network, meaning transactions settle instantly. No waiting, no delays, no settlement risk. This is the exact feature that makes XDC attractive for real-world finance. Now here's where the story gets interesting. USDC brings the US market, AUD brings the Australian market, XDC becomes the bridge. This creates a powerful position for XDC. It's not just a blockchain, it's a cross-border settlement network for stablecoins, and that's exactly what the future of finance will look like. If you look at RWA, real-world assets, you will notice something. Most of AUD's value is not on Ethereum. It's on Stellar, XRP, Ledger, Solana, now XDC, and Hedera. This indicates something powerful. AUD is not a single-chain stablecoin. It is a multi-chain payment rail. This is huge, because when a stablecoin becomes multi-chain, it becomes more flexible, more accessible, more useful for global finance. Another big milestone. In 2024, AUD worked with the Bank of Australia on Project Acacia. They were testing tokenized deposits with Hedera Hashgraph Hedera. This was before the AUD integration announcement. So what does this mean? It means stablecoins are not just for trading, they are becoming bank-level payment tools. And now with XDC, we are seeing the next step, tokenized deposits across chains. This is the part most people miss. The press release points to the Universal Digital Payments Network, UDPN. UDPN is a China-backed global payment infrastructure focusing on stablecoins, CBDCs, tokenization, tokenized deposits, DeFi capabilities, enterprise blockchain utilities. The key difference is UDPN has no coin. It is a private network, not a token-based ecosystem, and the company behind it is Red Date Technologies. If you dig into Red Date Technologies, you'll find it's the backbone of China's fintech infrastructure. And in 2024, AUD became one of the native stablecoins on UDPN. Why? Because UDPN wants networks, not coins. That's the difference between UDPN and FedNow in the US. FedNow is open to many rails, but UDPN is specialized for enterprise and government. Now here's the part that might shock some people. This partnership could be a stepping stone toward an era of blockchain adoption we haven't fully imagined yet. Because XDC is being positioned as a settlement layer for stablecoins in real-world finance. And this is where we could enter a new era of blockchain, government-level adoption. Bank-level settlement, enterprise-level integration, cross-border stablecoin rails. Now let's talk about the challenge, stablecoin regulation. Both the US and Australia are working on laws for digital assets, but the public is not fully supportive. A survey showed that those against crypto increased from 47% to 60%. That means retail investors are leaving the market. This is not unique to one country, it's global. But here's the key. Don't let retail sentiment weaken this news, because this is not about retail hype. This is about real infrastructure, real settlement, and real adoption. So what does this mean for XDC? It means 1. XDC is becoming a major stablecoin settlement network. 2. XDC is connecting USDC and AUD in a powerful way. 3. XDC is building real-world use cases for banks and trade finance. 4. XDC is entering a new era of blockchain adoption. 5. This could be the moment XDC becomes mainstream, not through hype but through utility for it. This is massive. All content on this channel is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Thanks for watching Coin News. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for daily updates on crypto markets, price analysis, and breaking news. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from the world of digital currency.